it on default 2 GB and timeout. I'm not giving anything. Let's click on save and start button and it will quickly run and start scraping all the leads from LinkedIn. As I've created this for LinkedIn, as you can see, found and pushed 8 LinkedIn URLs. If I go to outputs tab, here are the 8 LinkedIn as I give only page number 1. Let us click and check if this is the right profile. Yes. Yusuf AI Al Otiba. Sorry for pronunciation. The UAE ambassador to United States. Hey guys, welcome back. This is day 29 of my AI automations company, and today I'm gonna share with you a LinkedIn lead scraper using platform known as Appify. Appify is a huge game changer in the AI industry. Many big companies like Microsoft, Siemens, and Goldman Sachs are using it in their own workflows and outreach systems to enhance their outreach workflows. It gives you different templates and different kinds of scrapers and automation templates which you can use in your own workflow. I will be taking you through this platform, and also I will be showing you how to build your own lead scraper, and we will discuss how to enhance it. So without further doing any delay, let's get right into it. It is the platform Appify. Appify is a platform. Here you can use different scrapers like LinkedIn number scraper, LinkedIn profile scraper. Here is the LinkedIn store. Appify store. Here you can find different types of crawlers, scrapers like Instagram hashtag scraper, Google search result scraper, Facebook post scraper. These are built by own communities and developers, and you can also build your own actor. Actor, as in actor, means autonomous agents which are used to scrape or crawl different platforms for your leads. Big companies like Microsoft and Simon are using this and building their own actors on this platform. Let's quickly run through our own actor. I will go here. I will select this LinkedIn actor, and I will, gives the code. We will go to input tab and let us give UAE as an input. Number of pages is equals to 1, and run options I will keep it on default 2 GB, and timeout I am not giving anything. Let's click on save and start button and it will quickly run and start scraping all the leads from LinkedIn. As I've created this for LinkedIn, as you can see, found and pushed 8 LinkedIn URLs. If I go to outputs tab, here are the 8 LinkedIn as I give only page number 1. Let us click and check if this is the right profile. Yes. Yusuf AI Al Otiba. Sorry for pronunciation. The UAE ambassador to United States. So it is working. Now, how we have to make this? Firstly, we need to go to Google and we need to get this query. Let me show you the query. This is the query. Site linkedin.com in colons. If you weren't knowing about this query, I will give you this query in the description below. What this helps is, it helps in scraping all the profiles from a specific platform according to your given keywords. It is really helpful for users who don't have access to different lead scraping platforms or don't have enough budget in the starting or in the early phase. So you can use different extensions and this query to scrape out all the leads, and then you can utilize it in your own way. Then we will go to OpenAI and we will ask OpenAI to create a script for us. This is the whole work I give for you. Can you make me a BS4 Python script? BS4 is Beautiful Soup, a library which we will use to request to platforms to scrape the leads for us from Google. This is the search query which we copied from here directly from the search bar, and it produced this whole script. Now we will use this script and we will go to Appify Actors and we will click on Develop New. In this, we will select Start with Python, and here it will give you a default template. Click on Use this template, and I have prepared all the codes for you already. So you can just take those codes and create your own according to your own needs and customize your codes. In main.py, we will go to OpenAI and we will take this code and we will give it a query to utilize this code and create an Appify template for us, because this code as individual isn't good for us. Now use this code to give me the Appify schema and use this page, and page is equals to 10 and page is equals to 0 are the query in the search results, as we have to specify up to what number of pages we need to scrape the leads. So we need to specify page number, and page is equals to 0 will give you page number 1, then 10 is equals to page number 2, then 20 is equals to page number 3, and so on. So it is a query as a form of regex which comes after every search query. This is the whole schema, and we need to take this schema and this code and paste it here in the query. Where is my factor? Yes, here. We need to take this code and paste it here in this Appify code editor. So let us quickly do it. I will go forward and I will show you my visual code editor in which I prepared all the codes for you specifically. Let us quickly go. Here it is. This is my code editor and this is the Appify script. We need to just take it from here and we need to go back to our Appify code editor and we need to paste this code here. As that simple. Click on save button and then we need to change this input schema, as this input schema is a default one in which we can't give any field. There is only one text field. We need to give different keywords and the number of pages. So we need to define our own text fields. So I will go back to my editor and I will go to input schema and I will take this from here. These are the whole same things which we created from our own OpenAI directly. I will go here and I will paste it here. Now only one thing is left, that is this. I will click on requests requests is equals to and 2.17.3 is the version. Click on save because there is a library here in this known as request which wasn't present in requirements.txt. So we need to give it that library so that it can build it. Now it is ready. Click on build and it will start building it. While in the meantime it is building, let us quickly run through the queries. Using that query of the LinkedIn profile scraper, we created our own Appify schema and Appify code. This is the code which we used in main.py code so that it can modify it according to our own scraper code. This is the schema which we used in input schema, text field, number of pages to scrape, integers, and these are the whole bunch of just JSON format, normal, nothing to worry about it. And that is it. This is the whole query and we modified it accordingly. As you can see, the whole code is while continuously reiterating. Here, this is an error you can see while pulling the data or a Docker image. You can see this error where it will say module NEQ has no attribute byte stream. So for that, you can quickly give it while it is resolved the error. You need to specify what kind of profile you want to scrape and what kind of page numbers and edit keywords text fields you need. So according to it, it will again generate the whole code. And let us see, it must have been built. Yes, everything has been built successfully. Let's click on start button and here is our keywords and here it is text field required. Let us click on add and I will give UAE. I will click it on default I will keep this on default and save and start. Let us see if it runs or not. Yes, it start running, and anio.abc has no attribute by stream. Again, let us go back to input and pages 1. Okay, cool. Let us go back to output. There is nothing in the output. UE page number 1. Let us give it page number 1 and then save and start. Again the same error. Let us go to the code and we'll check what we made a mistake here, and if any. Schema version 1, search keywords, list of keywords for building the search query, straight list keywords. Go to main.py, import requests. Okay, I get it. The version of this requests is not enough. I will ask it give me the requirements dot requirements file for my Amplify code with all the libraries in it. So it will give me the whole requirements.txt file. It has left out the request file again, so I will give it explicitly include re requests library also. This is, by the way, running on GPT Omni. As you can see, GPT Omni is also not as good as you see. In free version, GPT Omni also hallucinates and can give you different answers. So you need to keep in mind that you have to explicitly mention everything so that it can start acting efficiently. I'm building this again. Let us see if it goes everything right this time. As you can see, memory 4 GB and free usage 0.0. You get a free credit of $5. Okay, the build has been started and it has started. Yes, this time with the right library version, found and pushed 9 LinkedIn profiles. And in output, you can see 9 LinkedIn profiles. Let us click one of them. LinkedIn profiles. And yes, Eric Frankel, UAE Desk Officer, US Departments of States. As you can see, it scraped out the LinkedIn profiles. And this is the way you can create different actors and different profiles. Now you can take the UI and create a whole program or a web application, and you can fetch all the script URLs from here to your own platform and scrape it and store it in a form of CSV. You can download it directly in a form of CSV. If I click on export 9 results here, here is the CSV format. You click it and download it, and now you can launch a whole suite of automation, or you can use API to directly fetch the results and directly launch an email campaign to the profiles through different platforms like Dripify for LinkedIn automation, or you can say Gmail them, extracting their emails and then crafting the emails for them. So this is the way you can quickly do a automated email outreach or a LinkedIn outreach using Apify. I will be giving all the resources down in the description below, so you can check this out for yourself. And in some time, I will be launching a platform for you all so that you can utilize it for your own benefit. It will be completely free. I won't charge anything other than your generous donations. If you want, I'm announcing this here, and pretty soon it will be going live. So let us look forward to it. And many things are coming. Our website also have been completed. There are teeny tiny bit minor changes which we need to make before we make it public, so it creates a good effect on our clients. And that is pretty much it. See you in the next.